In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new issue in Jira using the global create menu. If you've ever needed to quickly log a task, add a new feature idea, or create a bug report, but then found yourself digging through different board views trying to locate the right button, this walkthrough will make the process much easier. Jira gives you a simple global way to create issues from almost anywhere. And once you know where to look, it becomes a fast and reliable part of your workflow. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira cloud site. If needed, sign in through the Atlassian login page using your own account credentials. Once you're logged in and the main Jira dashboard has fully loaded, look across the top of the screen for the global navigation bar. This top menu is where you'll access the issue creation tool. Next, move to the blue Create button near the top center of the page, usually close to the search bar, and click it once. This opens Jira's issue creation window, which appears as a pop-up form over your current page. This form is where you'll enter all the main details for your new ticket. Now, choose the correct project first. In the project field, select the team or workspace where this issue belongs. Right below that, find the issue type field and choose the option that best matches what you're creating, such as story, task, or bug. Picking the right project and issue type is important because it determines how the issue is organized and how your team will work with it later. After that, click into the summary field and enter a short, clear title for the issue. This should be specific enough that someone scanning the backlog can immediately understand what the ticket is about. A concise and descriptive title works best, especially when your team is managing a large number of items. Once the summary is in place, scroll down to the description field and add the important details. This is where you can explain the background, outline the scope, and include any useful context your team may need. Then continue down the form to set the priority, select a sprint if your workflow uses one, and assign the issue to the appropriate teammate if needed. Before you finish, take a moment to review the form and make sure all required fields are completed correctly. This quick check helps prevent errors and keeps your backlog clean and consistent. When everything looks good, go to the bottom right corner of the window and click the blue Create button. Jira will save the issue and add it to your project backlog. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.